Ohayo. Ohayo.
Gozaimasu.
It's not Ohayo anymore.
Yeah, it's lunchtime.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wash my face and we'll eat lunch. Is it lunch? Oh no, breakfast, lunch, because we woke up super late. Because it's Yasumi. We will just get ready super quick and we'll, layas na. See you in a bit. This is my super quick face of the day, and I'm just having my hair in a very quick bun, and I'm tying it with my hairband too. I'm using my headband to tie it up. So yeah, this is my face, and it's so hot and it's so quiet because I think everybody is at the beach there or at the river. So yeah, but so we will be eating lunch. Because there's a lot of spiders, can you see over there? So this is what it looks like today. It's a pretty sunny, bright, clear sky day, so it's so beautiful. That's why everybody's at the beach or at the river swimming, but me, I'm not going because it's so hot and it's not exciting. Yep. So yeah, let's eat lunch. So we are already inside the restaurant, of course, as always, in our favorite restaurant, which is Joyfu. Yeah.
Actually, it's not our favorite. It's
But come again. It's not our favorite.
It's not our favorite restaurant, but it's the nearest restaurant.
Yes. Actually, it's not our favorite, but it just happens to be the nearest restaurant. So yeah, we don't have a choice. We don't want to go very far. But actually, there are a lot of very good restaurants around. But this is the nearest, so why not get it? Yeah. So yeah, I think we'll just order food now because we're so hungry already. I'll see you in a bit, guys. Yeah, my food has arrived, and today I'm eating pepper hamburger steak because I love it. And this is rice, and then I don't know what's this called. It's a Japanese thing, and this one also. And of course, we're having fries because we always like to eat fries together with Caesar salad. And my husband is getting, I don't know what's this, fried rice, I guess, and chicken. And of course, I don't forget my coffee because I love coffee. But this time I'm having coffee mocha because I wanted something a little chocolatey and sweet. So yeah, let's eat lunch. Itadakimasu. So by the way, guys, the Nissan Zero Emission car has a camera at the back. So whenever you are on a reverse, what's it? Your stick is on the reverse control. What's it?
Reverse mode.
Camera shows up so that you could see what's at your back, if you're hitting something or not, so it's a little safer. So yeah, this is one of the features of the Nissan's Leaf Zero Emission car. So we are already done eating lunch and we're heading to that, I don't know what's that called, temple park, mini temple, Japanese temple park, whatever. Yeah, and actually we are planning to go there like before, but we didn't have the time, so now we're going there, right, Jit?
Yeah.
And it's already 3 p.m. but it's so still blazing hot outside. I don't know, but yeah, it's a very good day.
It's like
Very,
12 noon.
yeah, the warmth outside is just like 12 noon. Yeah, it's so the sun is still very hot, but it's already 3 p.m. But yeah, we'll be going there. But yeah, we will still be going there. What's that called? Koen Temple, I don't know, but it's just very near here, the next city. So yeah, I'll see you there, guys. Where are we? We're not familiar with the road, so you need to go. You don't need to go left because you'll be going back to road 19. Wow, what kaisha is this? It's so big.
Kaisha.
Is this Kaisha?
Ah,
Is that a Kaisha?
okay na.
We're heading to wrong turn. This road leads to, oh, there's a new Kaisha. I don't know what's this, but it's really, really big, and it's just very near to where we live.
Ayun, appear pa rin.
Oh, I miss this place. We used to go biking here. This is it, nah. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I miss this. We used to go here, but now we don't. Not anymore because I'm getting older. My knees hurts.
Yeah.
Kawaiso na. Yeah, honestly my knees hurts. I cannot go biking anymore. I need to change my knees into
Big knees.
big knees. I miss this place. Yeah, it's so surreal, very surreal actually. Nature galore. Can you see that? So pretty. The river there.
Yes,
Yeah, we use. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I've never been here for a while. I think a year already. Na, it's so pretty.
it's more than
It's more than a year. Yeah. If I think I'm gonna insert a clip here because I think I have a clip here where I was mountain biking.
Hey, MTV2. Ala, katungas na. Ala. Say something.
I cannot say. This is, my tuhod. What about the same? It's a sunny day when you're not around. Back on the rain.
Kanta na tayo, alin na ta. Kaon taog biking.
After biking, go to Viking.
Mayo.
This is where we used to go, and it's so nature, very surreal and calming. If you wanna go to a very relaxing place, this is the place to go. We are here now at the temple. Nobody's here, it's just us because everybody was having fun. Is having fun at the river, at the beach. So yeah, I don't know what's here. Where are we going? Maybe we'll go there first. Because I see somebody looking
Naligit
over there.
Atras.
Because he doesn't know where is the parking like us. Because this is so confusing. Yeah. Gonna flip the screen now. Oh my God, this is nature. The teaching fit is so pretty. Pretty. Can you hear the crickets around us? Cricket galore. Wow. I think they're having renovation at the moment, but yeah. New people is there. But yeah, we'll stroll around the temple.
Temple.
Yeah, they say Ihoji Temple. I don't know, but it's so pretty. It's so surreal. Wow. Wow, it's so pretty. It's my first time here. And surprisingly, very few people knows this place. Yeah, and it's just located very near where we live. You can see this. This is traditional Japanese. Wow, that is pretty. I've never been up close to a temple before, and this is so pretty. This is something that you just only see in the movies. Yeah. Oh, there's a pond here. I think they have carps
carp.
Carp? But it looks so scary. I think there is a crocodile. Oh, what is that swimming? That one, oh, you see? Over there, sweet, look. It's black. I don't know what's that. Diba? Oh, crocodile, Dundee.
Crocodile.
It's a crocodile?
No, it's a fish.
It's a big fish. It's so big.
Oh, look at it.
Wow, oh my gosh. Can I have a picture here? Oh my god, I forgot to bring my camera sweet. I should have taken a photo for my, you know. Wow. Wow, that is a huge fish. Where is that? Where are you, fishy? my-
There.
Okay, I don't know. Oh my god, abunay na. Abunay na. My cell phone will have a swimming in. Wow, oh my gosh. Can you see that, guys? It's so pretty here. Oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, you're so big, fishy. Can you see that fish? Oh my god, it's about to eat me. You're so big. Oh my god. Can you see that? Oh my god, everybody's coming here. I think they heard me. Oh my god, I think they heard me because you know, the moment that we came here, and then oh my god, that is so sweet. It looks so scary.
It's so,
I'm scared. They are so big.
yeah, they might jump right.
I think they might jump on us and eat us. Oh my gosh. How exciting this is, guys. Oh my god. This place is just amazing. People living in Toki or in Tajimi City, you need to check this place out, guys, because it's so darn pretty. It's super nature. It's the Ihoji Temple. Yeah, it's the Ihoji Temple and it's so freakingly pretty. Oh my god, look at the fishes. Wow. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, you need to check this place out. It's so darn pretty. It's so pretty. Can you see at the back of me? It's an old Japanese temple. Yeah. This place is just so surreal and pretty. And this bridge at the back of me is just, oh my god. You need to check it out. This is just where is this located? I think you just can Google it at Google Map, and it's just located between Toki and Tajimi City. Yeah, need to check this out, guys. I'm climbing over the bridge and it looks so scary because there are a lot of big fishes. Oh my gosh, so darn pretty here. Yeah, look at the back of me. It's so pretty. Look at that fish. Oh my god, that fish is like, oh oh no, it's so exciting. You think it's exciting? It's so
Yeah.
pretty, right?
Yeah, it's
And-
my first time here.
Yeah, it's my first time going into a...
It's yellow.
Oh my god, the fishes are incredible, you guys. You need to check out this place. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. I think very few people, like I've said, I think there are very few people who knows this place, and it's just located near where we live, and it's so exciting. Yeah, it's so pretty. Can you see that? And it's so quiet and surreal. Yeah. I'm enjoying. Oh my god. I'll be back and maybe show you more of the yeah, I don't know. I'm speechless. I'm speechless actually because I'm so amazed with the place. It's so beautiful. It's really nature. Yeah, and the fishes are wonderful. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you see that? There are two turtles and there are a lot of fishes, and every time you go near the water, I think they seem to know that you're going near the water, and they come to you. I think they are waiting for you to give them food. So yeah, I think we'll be back. We'll get some breads and throw some breads over the water because I think they are waiting for us to give them some food. That is so neat. Oh my god, so cute. That turtle is really, you know, oh my god, that is a freaking cool fish. It's black and white. I've never seen a fish that is color black and white. Carp. Yeah, so pretty. Sige daw, tukuya daw ang isda, tukoy. They're coming after you because they wanna eat you.
Here comes the turtle. Here comes the turtle.
Here comes the turtle. Keep swimming, keep swimming. Give your fingers to them.
Not a chance.
Just one time, that one little finger. Go now. Oh, you see, they're waiting for you. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh no, baby.
What is this? I don't know what's written here. Yeah. Canal. It goes there. This is nature. What's here?
River?
Wrong turn. Oh, that's a river. Can we go swimming here?
No.
River di siya?
Why is it?
Wow. This is just so pretty. This place. Sa Sinturo na. So I guess we're going home already because it's getting darker. And I really had fun with the fishes because they're so big and it's about to eat me. Yeah, if you go very near, probably they're just going to eat you, really. So yeah, I like this place. I hope to come back here next time. Before we leave, guys, I need to show you this. This is the back of the temple. And can you see that bird from afar? This place is just so pretty. It's just so nature. Yeah. Yeah, this is the river and it's so coming. I just need to show you this one because it's just so pretty. I'm so sweat because it's so hot. We're ready to go home already. Yes, we're going home and I think we're going to outlet to have some chill, eat some ice cream because it's so hot here at the temple. Here at outlet store. Yeah. Luckily, there are parking still available. There's not much people going to the outlet because everybody was going to the beach, to the river. Strolling. Where are we heading first? Of course. Where? At Forever 21, of course. There are a lot of stores actually, but I don't know. So pricey. It's very expensive. I cannot afford it.
It's like
I cannot afford.
you're reading it backwards, but in a different way.
There's just a lot of stores, you know, clothing stores. But I'm going inside in this store. Forever. I'm gonna be Forever 21. That was 11 years ago. Was that 11 years ago when I was 21? I think I'm gonna turn off my camera because is it allowed to film inside the store? Dami? Of course, if we're going to outlet, we need to get ice cream from Baskin and Robbins. So the flavor I'm getting right now is, of course, my favorite Jamocha almond fudge, and this is a new flavor. It's called cotton candy, and it's so yummy. Let's eat now. Yeah. I'm getting my eyeglasses right now. He's making it, but I don't know if it's allowed or not allowed to take videos here. But yeah, I'm getting my glasses here because it's so cheap. I see you in a bit this. I don't know if it's allowed. It's already dark and we're still here.
Yeah.
Because we cannot go home because we need to get my glasses. I need to return like 7:50.
Yeah, we have to be here before
but
No.
it's still 7:30, so we need to wait for like a couple minutes, 20 more minutes. Need to go back.
Yeah.
Ooh, oh my god, we're nailed. We're nailed here. I cannot go, bawal.
Our measured overtime.
Hi, sweet. Chill,
Hi.
chill. Chill, chill, chill. The stores are almost closing. It's 7:45. I'm tired. You're tired, but it's Sunday. Still have time tomorrow. You know, this is just my what? Today is Saturday. Yeah, Saturday, and tomorrow is Sunday. But I go back to work on Tuesday, so I still have 2 more days. Yeah, it's so fun, and it's so dark already, and we're just chilling for now. Chilling. Yeah, cozy. Yeah, got my glasses, my new glasses. What you think? Vic? And it's
That's
so
good.
fast, and it's so cheap. I bought my glasses are from Jeans. Yeah, it's so cheap, and it's fast, and you know, I think less than an hour, right?
Yeah.
They made my glasses
Less than 30 minutes.
yeah, less than an hour. So we can go home now. So if you want glasses, just go from this store. Yeah, I recommend it. They're so friendly, even though I don't speak too much Japanese, but still, they are very friendly. So check out this store, you guys. We're at the parking. Where's our car? You tit. Oh yeah, it's here. Atta! You're in the wrong side of the world. Oh my god. Yay, Hanabi. Wow. Oh, finish. Yay. Wow, that is not so cool. Yay! Hanabi! Wala na. Dead na kay siya,
Oh, boy.
pet. Sa mani. Wow! Oh, wala na. Hain. Hala. Isa mani, uy. Ako kasabot. Ang gigas ko. Mura lang botos eh. Mana. So funny that we were outside and we were having fireworks, you know, a mini fireworks outside, and it was still early. I think it was just still 9:30 or 9:45, and then an old lady shouted at us. Yeah, she confronted us, and then she said, so yeah, it was so kakalorky. So yeah, but luckily we are already finished doing Hanabi. And then she was not satisfied, and she really did game over to us. I think she called already the police, but considering that it is still early, so I think the police just told her that it's still early, it's still okay, so she cannot contain herself. That's why she came over to us. Japanese are so killjoy. I think I don't know, they don't like fun at all. They just want to sleep and stay in a very, very quiet place. I don't know, she's just so killjoy, guys. It's still early and everybody is still having it's still a holiday actually until Tuesday, so I don't know what's with her. She wants to sleep early, like 9. Well, yeah, that's what happened. Nakapiso. Hello, so it's time to sleep na, because you know that lady said it's already time to sleep. I cannot sleep, but I need to say goodnight because I want to, you know, YouTube. So yeah, good night, sweet.
Night. Yasuminasai.
Yeah, yasuminasai. So yeah, good night, guys. I hope you had a wonderful day today, as always. Because I was really having a great day today. We went to this temple and then did a little hanabi outside. So yeah. I hope to see you next time, and yeah, always remember to, be nice to people and keep that smile. Yasumi nasai. Bye.